had a code for the air and fuel O2 sensor, and just pulled it out. I don't know what brand it is. It says AC or whatever, but this air fuel ratio sensor is like, please help me. But the scan tool said we had no activity here, and went ahead and got another one. 9 times out of 10, even on the scan tool, you can check like the data of it, and the volts and everything else would say it's okay, but something inside of it here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it and see if that would fix it or not. Alright guys, it might be a little out of breath because I just pulled the master cylinder out of the Prius, and it is super windy today, and I've got the Prius outside. I'm working on it. Here's my new master cylinder from Toyota. This is I want to say $1,100 part here. This is the old master cylinder that I just pulled out. Gasket on this looks good, but why reuse a gasket when they only cost a few bucks? So I've got the gasket for it, and then that there is the pump. So right now I've got the master cylinder out. Now I'm about to take the pump out, replace the pump, put the master cylinder back in, and then flush the system with brake fluid, and hopefully I can bleed it correctly. These hybrid systems are a little tricky, but most of the time you can get them to work good. So we'll see. Amazon said it's supposed to come at the end of the month, but I just got it today. The Holzfforma. Where is it at? It's the 660 model. Right there. The 90 cc's. So I've got some gas. I don't have, well, I guess I can put my bar off of my Milwaukee saw, but I'm gonna order a 36 for this, and I gotta get the 36-inch bar and then a 36-inch chain. So it says here the guide bar can be 20, 25, 28, 32, and it's 3/8 dot 063, center 7 tooth, 3/8 pitch. So yeah, I'll get this opened up. I ordered the gray and the orange one. I didn't order the blue one. And I'm also just buttoning up the Prius wipers, the wiper cowl here, because you got to take that off every time when you try to work at the back of the motor. Alright, I got everything set up. I got the dogs on. I don't think it came with any instructions really on how to set this all up, but I went on YouTube, of course, and figured out how to set the dogs. But yeah, I put some VP in it and got it running. Alright guys, finally got a bar and chain for the Chinese replica of the steel 660, and I went with the Oregon Pro Light. This is a 20-inch bar, and it's a 3/8 by 0.063. That's the chain split and the sprocket size. So it was kind of hard to find that size, because I think a lot of stuff nowadays is a little bit smaller. It's kind of like, this is like what you find at all your, stores like Walmart, Ace, and stuff like that. Just a smaller bar with a smaller chain. I needed something, you know, bigger than that, which I still need to tighten up the chain. But I just put it on, wanted to see what it looked like getting somewhere. But this is gonna be for when I'm felling trees. So I just got a 20-inch bar on it, and then when I do the chainsaw milling, I'll probably go to a 36, or I'm thinking about buying the 48-inch mill. I forgot exactly how much this 20-inch Oregon bar was. It was less than 100. I want to say anywhere from $70 to $80 for the bar and the chain. So I thought that was pretty good. And the 36 or 48, I'm still gonna try to buy an Oregon bar, but I might go with a cheaper chain and just try to get it, you know, filed myself or sharpened myself. And then I'll probably do a full chisel. And because when you get into the chainsaws, they have a whole different choices to choose from like you have your lapped, so the blades would be like one off, and then you've got like a semi chisel, a full chisel, and then different other things. So still trying to learn about it and try to get what I need first instead of trying different things and then just wasting money. But everybody I've shown this chainsaw to, they've liked it, and I like it so far. And I'll probably try to get some cuts in on it today. I was clearing out some of the woods yesterday with my little 16-inch Milwaukee. That thing does really good. I don't have a 12 amp hour battery, but if you pair it up with a 6 amp, I think I got it over here. If you pair it up with this 6 amp, I mean, she just cuts. She does really, really good. It's the Milwaukee high output 6 amp, 18 volt battery. It does really, really good. I've ran the 8 amps in there, and the 8 amps will die or kind of like burn out and die way quicker than the 6 amp. So they definitely have more juice in the 6 amps, which is also what I've seen on different YouTube videos. Like there's a channel called Torque Test, I think that's what it's called, and you can see where the 6 amp has a higher energy ramp up that it does. So that was pretty neat to see. But yeah, got the bar on. I got this red maple right here. That has looks to be like a dead, sorry for my beagle, looks like a dead white oak. It's falling on it, so it's just gonna push this maple. It's just gonna continuously push the growth over there. So I need to cut this down here and get that dead white oak away off of that maple. All right, I'm gonna try to cut down this red oak right here. She's not blooming, her limbs are bad, and she's pretty vined up, but this is the bark on this tree. Has the same bark that's on this red oak. And you can see that it has spalted up really bad. And heartwood's still pretty good, but the bark is very soft, and you can tell that it was eating it up. So it's just gonna end up like this tree too. Oh. Look at that hinge. Ugh. And then it took down that persimmons too. Look at the whole inside of it. That is, wow. Wow. That is crazy. Look at that.